Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are going to be touring Tri Pointe Homes here in Renton, Washington at one of their communities called Pine Meadows, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Oscar Hailar. If you are brand new to my channel, I go around all of the brand new construction communities here in the greater Seattle area. So if you're brand new to my channel and you are in the market for new construction homes, do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in Seattle. So we are here in Renton, Washington, okay? And we are in Tri Pointe Homes community called Pine Meadows at Soos Creek. We will be touring one of their model floor plans, plan number A250. They do have this same model plan that's going to be completed here within this next month, okay? It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,506 square foot home. Okay, so I'm definitely excited to show you guys. All right, they do have some other homes that's going to be completed here in the next following months. So if you want more information on this community, definitely, drop a comment below and I will make sure that you are on that interest list. Okay, guys, this is the home behind me. Really beautiful. Okay, and if you're not familiar with Renton, Washington, this community is right on Southeast 192nd Place. You are literally like on the border between Kent and Renton. So as far as proximity to the airport, you're looking at about a 15-minute drive from the Seattle airport. So, really easy commute. It's just literally a straight shot to the airport from here. But yeah, let's go take a look at this model home. Stick around to the end of this videos because I will be talking about the HOA and some other facts about the neighborhood, and we'll probably just drive around so you can see exactly where this location is, how's the surrounding areas look like. But let's go take a look. So there's the main road right there, 192nd. Okay, so they have a few plans still available, the model homes, but they're not for sale yet. You do have this corner lot that corner lot right there, and then you have another corner lot just over there, but a few houses left in this community. Okay, so here again is a plan A250. Let's go take a look. Walking up, you have a nice kind of front patio area here. It's really nice. Okay, right when you walk through the door, now keep in mind this is a model home. It is going to be up for sale here shortly after they sell the other lots that they are currently building, but nonetheless still the same exact layout. Okay, but this is really nice because again it's going to be up for sale. So you have nice steel railing here. Okay, you have this wood-like LVP flooring here, and if you're not familiar with LVP flooring, LVP is really easy to maintain. It's scratch resistant, it's water resistant. Okay, so really easy. And looking at the scaling of this hallway, it's not tight, right? Very spacious. In this foyer area. Okay, so continuing down the full foyer area, you have like a coat closet right here, and as you can see, it goes good decent size. It goes deep in there, so you could definitely stow away some stuff here. And here's all your cables. As you can see, that's where they have theirs. This little cutout here is where your crawl space access is. But yeah, let's go and take a look. Here is the living space. Into the kitchen and into the eating space there. So really nice space here. Love the staging so you could see how big it is. Love the fireplace. You're looking at about 9-foot ceilings. Okay. Quartz countertops. Got that farmhouse sink. It's like a gourmet style kitchen. You have Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, a gas range. Looks like 42-inch uppers on the top. Nice, molding on the top there, and exposable hood. Love the backsplash too. Everything is Whirlpool except for the fridge. The fridge is KitchenAid. KitchenAid's a good brand as well. You can never have too much storage, so more additional storage and counter space right there. Okay, here's what, be like your pantry area, or maybe it's around the corner. We'll double check. But here's the eating space, good eating space here. You could easily put 2 more chairs on those long ends, so you could have easily a 6-person table right here. Okay, and it's not too tight all the way around. Let's go take a look on the outside. Now the lot size is, you don't have too much of a backyard. It's definitely low maintenance here. Okay, it's just this. You have your AC unit there. You do have a nice covered patio area. Okay, so you could definitely put additional seating, with a nice little small dining table there. Okay, here's the side yard access. So maybe you can make this maybe like a dog runway, or plant some stuff over here. It looks like behind this is a long driveway. It looks like they're going to be building some homes here behind this home. So they already have the foundation poured over there. That looks like it's home side 4. Home side 5 is over there. But again, low maintenance backyard. Okay, let's go around. So right off of the kitchen, you do have this den space here, office space. This is really nice. So if you work from home, this is pretty nice. And then right off of the den, you have this mudroom area. And then you do have a 3/4 bath. Okay, so this does have a shower down here. Okay, so let's go check out the garage here. Tall ceilings, so you could probably add additional storage there on the top. Your hot water tank right there, and then you do have a utility door. And if you have a Tesla, it looks like they already have a built-in plug here for your electric cars. But that's the garage. All right, so here's the downstairs, guys. Really nice. I love how it's so bright too. I mean, even if I turned off all the lights, you could see the sun coming in. So a lot of natural lighting here. Let's go take a look upstairs. Love how it's right when you enter, it's really tall ceilings too. Okay, so upstairs, you do have a nice loft area. Very spacious for additional entertainment. If you have kids, this would be a great area for them to have their own space here for games. So off to the left-hand side, if you keep on going straight, that leads to the primary, and then just around the railing here is your laundry area. So again, with the model homes, everything is already going to be sold as is. So you're going to get all this cool appliances. You have a nice utility sink already in here. So with all the extra cabinets as well. Just around the corner, you do have 2 extra bedrooms. So here is the bedroom. Really nice and spacious bedroom here. Good sized bed. They even have this little kind of art area here for the kid. That's pretty cool. So that gives you an idea how big this space is. Here's the closet. Okay. Here is like a linen closet, more storage. And then they do have a full bath up here, double sinks. And here's the other bedroom. Oh, Star Wars theme. That is awesome. So this closet is actually bigger than the other bedroom that we came from. The rack here was, just right when you open is closer, right? But this one you could actually step in. So a lot of space in this closet here. Okay, see, as you can see, it's like further back. Awesome Star Wars theme. May the Force be with you guys. And I want that hat too. Yeah, it's awesome. Here is your HVAC unit. And here is the primary. Really large primary bedroom here. So king size bed. You have the two side tables. As you can see, there's even more space to even put even a larger bed if you wanted to. Very nice. Here is the primary bath. Nice soaking tub there with your stand-up shower. Okay, the ladies like to soak. Maybe get some ice baths in there, You have the double venue sinks with the underlighting. There's the toilet area. And then here is the primary closet. Really large and spacious. I love their closet system that they have here as well. You have the drawers there. You obviously have a lot of space here to hang your clothes. This is probably just the men's section, and all this is, for the ladies. But that is the upstairs, guys. So you have the primary here, and then you have two bedrooms down there. Okay, upstairs you do have this very nice loft. Downstairs you do have that one den area, or this plan can be a 4-bedroom. This one is just modeled as a 3-bedroom because the den, you really can't say that's a bedroom because there's no closet system in there. But nonetheless, this is a very nice and spacious home. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this home. All right, guys, so that was the home tour. Again, that was plan number A250. Okay, so if you have any questions about this model home or in this specific community, definitely feel free to drop me a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. I'm going to go check out some of the other communities of Tri Pointe Homes and all that, and it's just not Tri Pointe Homes, guys. I do all the brand new construction communities. Okay, but they do have one grand opening, or just one new community that just opened up. They're in Newcastle, so I'm definitely excited to see that. And that's more up north. Okay, so that's going towards Bellevue. And they also have another community out south in the Hailar area, Bonnie Lake area. So that's going to be a very beautiful community too. So check out the comment section below. I'm going to have the HOA there. But aside from that, I'll go ahead and I'll drive around the community so you can see, the community itself. And then I'll drive around the area so you can also see the area as well. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so if you're not familiar with this area, I'm going to go, so this right now, we are on Southeast 192nd. We're going to take a left out of this neighborhood, and we are going to be on Benson Road. Okay, if you take a left off of Benson Road, you're going to be hitting Kent, and that area, as I had said in the beginning, will have that Panther Lake kind of commercial area where the Safeway is, and also some restaurants or 24-hour fitness is there as well. Okay. If you take a right on Benson, then you'll go into the Benson area, commercial area, where you'll have, your Fred Meyer's there. That is the way that you would go for Valley Medical Center. IKEA's over there as well. So I'm just going to give you like a little quick tour on, that area. Okay. So let's go. Okay. So as you can see, as I took a left, Benson Road is like literally just right up the street. Okay, so it's actually 108th, but it turns into Benson Road. Okay, so you have a gas station off to the right hand side. I'm gonna take a right here. This area, you just keep on going straight. Literally just 5 minutes, maybe even less, you'll hit that area. What's nice too is, if you love, Asian grocery stores here in Renton, you also have Ranch 99, okay, and also Watamaya. Starbucks is right next to the Shell gas station. So here's like your Fred Meyer's area. So as you can tell, that was like literally just minutes away from that community. Right on the street there, you have your Starbucks. You do have, your Taco Bell. You just have those fast food restaurants up there. And here's just like the commercial area. You have chiropractors, barber shops. This is called the North Benson Center. Okay, a really good pho spot as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.